Safety Talk number 062. Let's keep what we have. I feel like a rich man. I have 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 feet, 2 hands, 10 toes, 10 fingers, 2 eyes. And most important, everything works well. And I want to keep it that way. When someone loses a part of their body, or can't use it properly, we say they are disabled. They face life with a disadvantage. In horse racing, a strong horse may carry extra weight. In pool, a skilled player may give extra points. That's called a handicap. In life, losing a finger or a leg, going blind or deaf, makes everything harder. It's like carrying extra weight. Some people achieve great things despite their disabilities. But they work harder than the rest of us to reach the same goals. There's nothing in our work that has to cause an injury. But accidents can happen. In any type of work, any machine can injure you if it's not handled right. Oiling, cleaning, adjusting, or repairing a moving machine can destroy your hand forever. Lifting heavy loads can hurt your back unless you use your legs or ask for help. A heavy object can crush your foot if you don't handle it properly or wear safety shoes. Even a small cut can get infected if you don't treat it right away. An infection can force a doctor to remove a finger, a hand, or a foot. Your eyes can be hurt easily. A tiny piece of metal, a spark, even dust, can damage them. Same with acids and other chemicals. That's why some jobs require eye protection to save you from the handicap of blindness. Insert here the list of tasks in your department that require eye protection. If there's a more relevant hazard, adapt this part accordingly. Accidents that cause permanent injuries, falls, burns, and more can happen at work or at home. They are not exclusive to either place, but they do happen. So, if we want to avoid being disabled, we must learn to walk safely, respect hot or explosive things, and stay alert to traffic on the street or in the plant. Use the following paragraph only if there are women in your team. Women often care more than men about their appearance, for themselves, for their partner. They want to look good. That's why we ask them to wear caps to protect their hair. And let's not forget, an injury can leave a scar on a beautiful face or affect their ability to dance. Nobody wants to be disabled for life, especially not me. So let's stay free of accidents by working together in a safe and healthy way.